In this video, I will show you how to reset your YouTube recommendations. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, for whatever reason you want to reset your recommendations, maybe you just like the videos that YouTube's recommending you, then to do this, what you're going to want to do is come across to youtube.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come across to the menu on the left hand side and you're going to see an option for history. Now what you want to do is give that a click. That's going to take you across to a screen like this with your watch history for all your videos. Now basically the YouTube recommendation works off your watch history. So what if you've watched previously on YouTube? YouTube is going to recommend videos based on your previous watching history. So from here, to go ahead and reset your recommendations, what you want to do is come to the right hand side and you're going to see an option to manage all history. Go ahead, give that a click. Then on this next page, what you want to do is come down to the bottom and you're going to see an option to delete. Now, if you actually give that a click and you want to make sure to select all time, then it's going to come up with a confirmation like this. All you need to do is come down and click delete to completely delete your watch history. Go ahead, click got it on the next screen. And what you can then do is come back to YouTube. And when you actually go ahead and refresh the page, you'll now see that there is no recommendations at all. And it's all going to be built on what we now search for on YouTube. So that is how to reset your YouTube recommendations. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.